Today we are here for the sea trials, our first sea trials on the river. The crew was preparing for it for a week, so everybody's excited.
The main objective for the sea trial is to test if all the performance of the vessel are complying the things which are mentioned in the contract of the vessel. It's not one specific thing what you're looking, it's more in general the whole performance of the vessel.
My name is Jonathan. I am the second engineer on board of the Carbon Destroyer 1. Well, because it's such a unique project with the dynamic positioning and also the gas tanker side of things, they need people that have dynamic positioning experience and also dynamic positioning gas tanker experience. So finding the right crew and all that sort of thing with the right papers is proved to be rather difficult, and well, I come with my gas experience then to the engine room crew.
The most important thing for a bridge department, it will be how the ship will behave and how the equipment is cooperating with us. So we are now learning how to use all of this navigation equipment because we have new Praxis system, but we have also like new EGDIS, radars, everything is new for us.
As engineers, this is what we're here for, to see all the systems being tested, to see all the systems getting a real test. They're doing a crash stop, so that means going from full ahead full to full astern, making sure the ship stops without any alarms on the main engine. But also the smaller systems like the freshwater generating systems we are testing, the ballast water treatment systems. All of these systems we're finally starting as engineers to see how they are working with the service engineers on board.
Classification is on board to check if the vessel is built according to their rules and according to their conditions. So that's mostly construction-wise and safety-wise. In Esberg, then our client will continue building the vessel in order to get a complete to do the work at sea. That means on the aft ship, on the cargo decks, they will install injection modules which are meant to get the cargo out of the tanks into the field where the ship will work later on when she is in full service.
I guess because it is the first project that a gas tanker is on dynamic positioning too. So that means if we lose an engine during the DP operations, the ship will still be able to hold its position, whereas with DP1, then you have to go out of DP, all this sort of stuff. But yeah, it's the fact that we are able to stay in our position even if we lose one of our engines.
Other tests, what we do in engine room is, for example, the auxiliary engines, blackout tests. And at the end, we check all equipment if it is working. And if everybody's happy, then we accept it all together and then the vessel is ready to go to sea.